Walking street now time 5 p.m. 5:10. Georgi, did you been before in this club? It's not Genesis. Genesis Elite Club. Yes. Ah, open now already? Not from 10? No, ask. Not allowed. Okay. Hi.
See you guys.
Yeah. Did you been before in a club? Hi.
Oh yeah, last night we went there.
Last night. It's good?
6,000. Yeah, 6K.
Have girls also for bar fine?
Yeah, that's what they said.
It's not interesting.
I was the first one to ask.
Yeah, he was the first, who asked the question.
Because people don't think they have bar fines, but I asked. And they say, we'll see, we gotta ask.
But the bar girls are really hot. Oh, they are.
So good.
But not 6,000 worth.
No.
No.
It's not good.
No,
I think it's same like high society before. You can talk with girl already communication, but no.
Yeah.
So expensive. Who live here?
for 1 hour, yeah, it's for half an hour, it's too much.
No.
Doesn't matter how hot they are.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, we go.
Because there's no more overnight.
Oh, no.
Those days are over.
Okay. Okay, bye. But you said it's bar same like high society before, but it's not same. It's like a regular bar.
I don't know.
No, we don't have coins.
When I go inside, like
Like disco, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah. Gold bar.
McDonald's terminals.
Open already terminals. Okay, if you want, we can check. the same in McDonald's. Only they put terminal. You want to drink something?
No, just look.
Better download application. Please.
Same price or different?
Have deals. For example, you can check now from 5 cheeseburger sola. Cheeseburger sola is 73 peso. You find cheeseburger sola. Yes, cheeseburger sola.
73.
73 peso. Same. Okay. One chicken McDo with rice. Cancel. Chicken. Yes. One chicken McDo. With spaghetti. With rice. With rice. One chicken McDo with this one, yeah? Yeah. 96 peso. It's 92 peso.
It's spicy.
This is spicy. No spicy. But it's the same price, I think. I think 92, 95 is okay. Not need to download application. Okay, not use. Yes, cancel. So what you want? Where you want to go?
Cafe.
Okay. We're going to France Korean cafe because it's not France, it's Korean, but name of France language. Tuesday 5:20. Don't have people in cafe.